Senelux 2000 watt oil filled heater. Contents include one instruction manual, one remote control, two feet bases, two U-brackets and four wheels. Firstly, remove the bolt from the U-bracket. Secondly, apply U-bolts to both ends of the heater, ensuring the heater is the correct way up, with the plug lead at the bottom. Hook feet bases onto U-brackets and reapply bolts. Repeat on opposite side. Finally, apply all four wheels to feet bases in the holes provided.